Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is EAN rule or effective atomic number rule. Effective atomic number rule is used to explain the stability of coordination compounds, and it states that a metal ion continues to accept electron pairs till it attains the electronic configuration of noble gases or next noble gas. EAN is equal to 18, that is atomic number for argon, 36 atomic number for krypton, 54 atomic number for xenon, and 86 atomic number for radon. And EAN is given by the formula total number of electrons of metal plus number of electrons donated by ligands. EAN is equal to, or effective atomic number is equal to, total number of electrons of metal atom or metal ion plus number of electrons donated by ligands. It is also given by the formula EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y, where Z is equal to atomic number of metal atom or metal ion plus minus X is equal to oxidation state of metal ion or electrons donated by metal ion to convert into metal ion, and Y is equal to number of electrons donated by ligand. So this is the formula to find the effective atomic number rule, that is EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y. Now we will solve some problems based on this formula. Now see, the first problem is CONH3 by 6 plus 3. Here again we follow the formula EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y. The atomic number of cobalt is equal to 27. X, that is oxidation state of CO, is equal to how much? 3. And the ligands, or total number of electrons donated by ligand is 6 into 2 is equal to 12. That is y is equal to how much? 12. So EAN is equal to z minus x plus y. We will put all these values in this formula. Z is equal to 27 minus x is equal to 3 plus y is equal to 12. So our final answer is 36. And here the CONH3 plus 3 will follow effective atomic number rule. Why? Because it contains total how much electrons? 36 electrons. Now the next example is next complex is ZnNH3 by 4 plus 2. Here the value of Z is equal to 30, then X is equal to plus 2, and number of ligands donated by ammonia molecule is 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Therefore EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y, which is equal to 30 minus 2 plus 8, which is equal to 36. It also follows the EAN rule, or this complex also follows the EAN rule. Now the next example is FeCN by 6 prime minus. Here the value of Fe or the value of Z is equal to 26. 6Cn or sorry X is equal to plus 3 and Y or number of ligands donated is equal to 12. 6 ligands, 6 into 2, 12. So again our formula is EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y. Z is equal to 26, X 3 and Y is 12. It is equal to 35. Here this complex doesn't follow EAN rule because the value of effective atomic number is how much? 35. Now our last example is CuNH3 by 4 plus 2. Again the same formula. Here Z is equal to 29, X is equal to plus 2 and Y is equal to 4 into 2 equal to 8. So EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y, which is equal to 29 minus 2 plus 8, which is equal to 35. So here again EAN is equal to 35. Therefore this complex again doesn't follow the effective atomic number rule. I hope you understand this topic. If you understand this topic, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.